Okay. Okay, so I don't remember if I showed these off or if I did a video on them, but I'm gonna go with part 2, the slightly cheaper variety. So these are, again, another Moondrop set of true wireless earphones. Cats don't do anything weird. And they came in a much larger Amazon box than they should have, honestly. But gonna unwrap the boy. The waifu. The girl. The thing. Gonna beat a dog real quick. Okay. I'm gonna take care of the dog real quick. So we don't need that wrapping. Let's see. They don't give us a nice graph, but apparently it's Bluetooth 5.3. That's cool. Pretty nifty. If I can yoink it out. Not much to the packaging. Nothing to write home about, really. Oh, it does use USB-C, so... Why is that light on? What the heck, buddy? I didn't expect that. So you've got a lot of the same stuff going on as like the Necco cakes have. So you've got the stems here and a couple other features it looks like. But yeah, let's see. Wow. Documentation. Ooh. Oh, just a business card. Just another card, another card. Just casually laying on top of the knife there. Let's see. Space travel. Quick start guide. Get through. Okay, turn on after taking the earbuds out, coming with power on prompt. Back to turn it off. It'll turn off after putting the earbuds back in the charging case. Over time turn off. It'll turn off if there's no paired device within 3 minutes. Low battery turn off. Restore factory settings. Long press the right left earbuds for 8 seconds to clean paired information. Restore the factory setting. Let's see. Microphone touch. Charging contact. Various ear tips. White indicator is always on. Let's see. Bluetooth pairing. Entering Bluetooth pairing interface. Find Moondrop Space Travel. Click enter to pair. There's warning of doo-doo-doo. Under pairing mode, you'll hear the prompt of connected. Yes, there's special voice lines. Oh, noise canceling. Low latency mode, music, calls. Okay, buddy. What's the voice prompts mean? Contents of hazardous substances and product. Okay. Prompt of game mode. Exiting game mode is music mode. So, okay, cool. Anyway, what else is in here? My dear sweet girl, you're about the... Come on. You're about the only part worth of this box. Just like my other collection that I have going on now. Come on. And now...
I was explaining to Mom the whole thing with...
Okay, so... There's USB-C. There's really not much there. They do have ear tips. Okay, that's pretty nice. Anyway, let's get to the main shebang of it all. Somebody turned that on. I don't know who did that. Come on. Come undone. I almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. There we go. Okay. There it comes. Okay. So apparently... Come on. There we go. That's pretty nifty. So yeah, looks very much just like the Necco cakes. So if I pull up my bloating phone and go to... I should see, pair new device. Moondrop Space Travel. Pair. Ooh! She has a really nice voice, I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty cool. She speaks English to me instead of German though, so I will have to live with that. Let's go open up that, and then I'll take 2 seconds to figure out how it sounds. So overall, it does seem a bit heavier on the bass side than the Necco cakes. So if that's your thing, they're only... Then, yeah. They don't sound too far off from the Necco cakes though, quality-wise. So, $50... What you get with the Necco cakes. They don't have the Ash Arms one, so she won't speak German to you. But the Space Travel are only $20 for this set. Literally, like, you can get true wireless headphones for 20 bucks. And it doesn't sound like a complete dog water like the Walmart Bluetooth speaker you're going to get for 10. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.